In this video, I am going to show you how to delete a product in Google Merchant Center. So in order to do that, what we can do is we can head over right here first into our merchants.google.com. Under the Your Business, you can see the products option. Now in here, you can see all the product that you want. For example, let's delete one of them. For example, let's click onto this and in here, click on edit. And you can edit some parts of this. Alternatively, you also have the option to don't show it on Google. So this is actually an alternative for deleting the product. So you can delete the manually added products from their individual product details pages. Meanwhile, all other products should be deleted directly from your data source. If you want to hide the product from Google, you can just choose this visibility right here, just like this one. Now you can also click onto this edit option right here in order to edit it, or you can access the data source where it come from. For example, in my Google Sheets, you can just remove this particular row and wait for it for 12 midnight for it to be automatically updated and deleted. So that's how you delete a product in Google Merchant Center. Hope we help.